Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to another new video. In this video, we will discuss the trades that we provide in our free group and VIP groups, and I will explain all the methods and logic behind these trades. So for those who are new here and want to join us, the link is available in the description. You can check it out. Let's move on to the video. This was an OTC market, and we provide OTC trades only in the VIP group. So this was the first trade on Johnson OTC for a downside move. Here you can see there was a resistance level, and a moving average was also present. That's why we provided a signal for the downside move, and this turned out to be an amazing win. Let's move on to the second trade, which we provided on Apple OTC for an upside call move. Here, you can see an uptrend, and the moving average was also present. That's why we provided a signal for the upside move. If you look closely, there was also a support level, which further confirmed the trade. This was another amazing win. Now, let's move on to the third trade, which we provided on Polkadot OTC for a downside move. Here you can see a sharp decline along with a clear downtrend. There was also a resistance level, and the moving average was present. That's why we provided a signal for the downside move. You can also see that the candle was rejecting exactly from the moving average, making this an amazing win. Let's move on to another trade, which we provided on BNB OTC for an upside call move. You can see that the moving average was present and the previous candle closed above it. That's why we provided a signal for the upside move, and this was an amazing win. So we'll end the session here. We won 4 non-martingale trades. If you want to access all the trades, you can contact us on Telegram at bbinary support. All the links are available in the description, so go and check them out. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until then, see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.